Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a shoe review and unboxing of the CLARKS Originals Desert Nomad. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the CLARKS Originals Desert Nomad. We've got this in the Simon Combi colorway, in the UK size 7.5, and it's European 41.5. So let's get the box in. I will show you the US sizing. It should be in here. But before that, here this shoe is. I was going to say sneaker. Right there. And for those wondering what US size this is the US 8.5. So, for those that don't know, on a personal level, I'm a big fan of CLARKS Originals. You know, Wallabies, Desert Boots, probably the most iconic shoes of all time. I love Wallabies, like to death. They're one of my favorite shoes of all time. You can wear them very casually, very small, wear it up, wear it down, do whatever. But this is the first time that we're doing a Desert Nomad. I'm going to be referencing the Wallaby a lot because of its shape. It's like the moccasin shape. But if you're looking for some Wallaby reviews, check out the ones that we've done in the past before. We've done tons of Wallaby reviews, and you know, I give my heart to it. But we'll start with this Desert Nomad. We'll go with the outsole. So this outsole is the iconic crepe outsole that's used on a lot of CLARKS Originals. So you can see right there, and it's the midsole also. It's very comfortable, guys. You have to trust me when I say this. If you're a first time CLARKS Originals wearer and you're very on the fence about that crepe sole, it's very, very comfortable. In fact, that was used by the British during World War I when they were on the deserts, at the Sahara Desert, and I think it was like Lawrence of Arabia, that kind of time. And CLARKS Originals, or shoes similar to that style, were used, and it is highlighted right here on the heel. So you can see a person on a camel, being a nomad on the desert. Speaking of the upper, so you look at this upper, you've got two kind of materials used here. Well, essentially it's one, but you've got this corduroy suede that makes the lateral and the medial side. You've got this moccasin shape, so right there, just on the toe and the footbed, not the footbed, but on the toe and the top of the shoe. You can see proper suede panels right there. Normal lacing system for a moccasin, you only got the two eyelets and this like mustardy colour, and as I mentioned before, you've got this leather paneling at the heel with the logo, and on the insole you've got this leather insole also with the CLARKS Originals logo. Very smart look. If you're looking for a very smart casual look, as I mentioned before, dress it up, dress it down, however you want to do it. You've got the CLARKS Originals tags here also, the Desert Nomad drawing, and this is kind of like an alternative to the Wallaby. If you're looking for something other than CLARKS Originals Wallaby, go for the Desert Nomad. To be fair, this is the first time I'm going to be trying on the Desert Nomad, so the on-feet is going to be my genuine first-hand experience wearing it. But if it's anything to go by with the Wallaby, I'm very excited. Plus, this is like premium materials. You got all that heritage from CLARKS Originals, and that crepe sole, it's iconic, and you can never go wrong. Roll that footage of me trying these Desert Nomads on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Clarks fit. Typically, I'm a UK size 7 when it comes to Clarks. These are UK size 7.5. These are a bit big for me. However, the vamp on the top of the shoe is a bit lower than what I'm usually used to, because I wear Wallabies when it comes to Clarks Originals, and it feels a bit tight because, as I mentioned, the vamp is a bit too low. However, these look really cool on. Just wish I got them in my size, but these are a great purchase nonetheless. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.